Hi, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to do a DIY homemade hair accessories with beads. To start with, I'm going to be showing you everything that I'm going to be using. And number one is a fish line. As you can see, there is a fish line that I'm going to be using. And this is the actual paper that it comes with, and it's a 0.30 size fish line. I'll be using these tiny little beads as well, and a nail clipper to just cut off whatever I don't need once I'm done. So let's get started. I'm going to be cutting a reasonable amount of the fish line. As you can see, put some 4 beads on one string, and then one white one you crisscross. So all the beads will be 4. As you can see, there are 4 beads, but one is white, and it's the one I've crisscrossed. Next, I'm going to be putting 3 beads, and then put 1 bead on one side, the other one on the other, and the center one you crisscross. As you can see there. I love using one hand to pick the beads rather than just putting one on this other side and putting one on this other side. So I just love putting them, all of them, on one bead and then separating them on as I do it. You can see separating them just like that. The center one you crisscross. Now there I was supposed to put a white bead, you can see. So I went ahead and removed it and then put a white bead. All these need practice, so keep on practicing, guys. You can see. So this one is the last one, so that I can turn. You will put beads on one side as usual, 2 beads, and then one you will crisscross, the other one you will let it go down. And you crisscross, and you've already turned. You can see I was there, and then now I'm here. Keep on doing the process. So there I'm going to be putting now 2 beads on one side of the fish line, and then crisscrossing on the last one, just like that. Now this fish line that it comes direct on that bead, that's what you're going to put it in, so that it can just lock itself there. Now keep on doing the same thing, put on the red bead, and crisscross the last one, just like that. And then as usual, that fish line you put it in that bead. They're so tiny you can't even see them, but I hope you get it. If you really listen to what I'm saying, you will do it best. Okay, please like this video, comment, leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't, and let's keep watching. just like that. You keep on doing the procedure. Once you get to the end, you put you put the beads on one side so that you can turn around again. As you can see, just like that, I was there, now there. So you've already turned, and as you can see, the progress is amazing. So I'll keep on doing this off camera. It's a repeat, and then I'll come back show you guys after if I'm done reaching the length that I want. You see, they look the same. So once I'm done reaching the point that I just want to fold the hair accessory, so I'm just going to be folding it up now, just like that, to just make it hollow inside. To just, that's where now your hair will be going through, just like that. So sealing that, you're going to be putting one bead on that side, and make sure you follow the colors. And if you are a beginner, just do it with one color. It will not really confuse you that much, and with progress you'll still keep on doing the same colors, I mean different colors now. So as you can see, now it's locked there. So I have the true fish line, and now I'm going to be putting one bead and then crisscrossing on it to just lock that up, just like that. Then I'm going to be putting the fish line inside the bead that is just following just right there on both sides. Just like that, and then put one more bead as well, crisscross, and do the same procedure as well. So once you get to the end, you'll still do the same, put one bead and then crisscross the last one. And now we are done with closing that up. So I'm just going to be tucking in the fish line to just make it just like sealed. As you can see me rolling the hair accessories with the hand is just to soften it and to just make it easy not just rough, or just I just don't think so, to just make it easy. So that's how they look. So beautiful. So let me go ahead and tuck this up, and then I'll come back. So that's just how I'm going to be tucking in uh, the fish line to just lock it up as I told you. So yeah,